Nassau County CMA. CMA stands for Comparative Market Analysis. It is the most common way of searching for comps in GeoData Direct. You arrive here from the property report by clicking on CMA. This section over here includes all of the items you could search on in order to find the best possible comparables. Starting from the left side, we have radius, which is distance from the subject property. For this example, we'll say 1 mile. We can search for comps located on the same street and located in the same neighborhood. For this example, we'll leave both of those off. Next is sale date. We can use this drop-down box to select comps that have taken place in the past 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, and so forth. We'll say 6 months. You can also type in your own custom date range with these boxes. If you're looking for sales in a specific price range, you could enter that range over here, or you could leave it blank to see all sales. Under classification, you can look for all comparables that have any property class, comparables that have the same class as the subject, which in this case is a 210 single-family home, all twos, which is all residential properties, or you can enter your own classes. So if you wanted to look for 1 and 2 family homes, you can enter your classes separated by commas. If you wanted to look for all residential properties and all vacant land, just enter the first part of each class, in this case 2 and 3. If you needed to see a list of all the classification codes, just click on View Class List. Searching by style is available only in Nassau County. You can look for all styles, or you can narrow it down to a cape, for instance, because in this case the subject property is a cape. Or you can select multiple styles by holding down the Control key. School district, available in Nassau and Suffolk County. You can select all school districts, or you can select same school district as the subject property. In Nassau and New York City, there's also a year built range you can select, and a square footage range. Note, in New York City, you can choose between the New York City square footage and the calculated square footage. For this CMA, we're going to look for all comparables in a 1 mile radius that have been sold in the past 6 months, that are also single-family homes, capes, in the same school district. To find the comps, press search. We found 21 sales comparables that meet the criteria that we entered. The first line in blue is the subject property, followed by the comparables in distance order from closest to farthest away. The photograph is to the left of the distance. To the right, we have the legal ID, the address of the property, and then the comparative information: classification, style, school district, square footage, lot dimensions, room count. Of course, this information varies from county to county. And then after that, we have the sale information: the sale price, the sale date, buyer and seller, and the document ID. You can view the property report of any of these comparables by clicking on View. Click back to return to the CMA. To print these comparables, you can individually select the comps that you wish to print, or press Select All. Then go to the print box to select your paper size of letter or legal size paper, with or without photographs. Let's choose letter size paper with photos. Press Print Version to load the preview of the report. The printout will appear in a separate browser. You'll notice in the top left you'll have a summary of the criteria that you chose. In the top right, the statistics for the comparables: the high, low, median, and average. The comps are below that. To make sure the report prints correctly, press Print, and then go to your preferences and check your settings. Make sure the orientation is set to landscape, and that your paper size is set to the proper selection. After printing, press Close to return to the CMA page. You can also take the selected comparables and make a CSV file out of it, which is similar to a spreadsheet, or view the selected comparables and the subject on a map.